Technical, this is our new installation. This Felicity 50 kVA 3-phase. These are the stackable battery. So we just finished this installation. These are stackable battery, high voltage battery, different from low voltage 51 volts. As you can see, each of these battery is connected in series. It's different from the one those low voltage battery that you connect in parallel. So that is the difference. So I'm going to be explaining the benefit of using this kind of a stackable battery, especially when you are doing an industrial installation. I'll show you the benefit and also the benefit of a low voltage system. So as you can see, a top up of Felicity top up. I so much love this 50 kilowatt Felicity installation. If you can see under, please come closer. So they have 8 slots. So they have 8 slot of PV, and they are all high voltage. If you have, as I'm just telling you, if you have a company whereby you are running diesel generator 250 kVA, you can parallel this inverter. You can series this inverter. You can parallel this inverter up to 6 pieces, which can also give you up to about 300 kVA. One of this one is 50 kVA. Just imagine you add additional one, it will make it 100 kVA for you. And in this installation, we use 100 panel. We use 100 piece of panel to get the configuration, and they have been using this installation since yesterday. So we are here on site to put our Wi-Fi. Please, where is the Wi-Fi? So that okay. So this year, so we came with our own Wi-Fi, with our Airtel Wi-Fi. So you can see, in order for us to get every required information we are looking for. It's good, this kind of bulk installation, whether bulk or small installation. After doing installation, you need to monitor it from your end without coming to the customer's house. Not every time you take your phone and start calling customer, please, what is the battery percentage? What is the reading? I want to see the part. No, from your home, you see what is going on, and your client will also know what is going on with the installation. And if there's any error message from your home, you will receive a message, and this is the code for the fault alarm or whatever error message that is going on. So this is Process Technical. As I said, remember our mission is one unit 3 key. And this is our control system, our breaker protection system, and this is also other control system for our installation. Remember, blessed as you follow us. Remember, our phone number is 070-3749-1276, or you can also write us on our page. We are in Lagos and we are also in Port Harcourt. Thank you.